How's it going, guys? This is Tacoma Rebuilds, and here's our project car. This is a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD that we purchased from Insurance Auto Auctions. It's 17, has right at 7,000 miles.
Really good deal on it.
I mean, for the year, yeah, for the most part, yeah, it was a really good deal. So damage wise, so we're gonna start off with front end. So
the hood.
Yeah,
Pretty sure it's open.
okay, so
from here we noticed that the fenders were smashed, but we're not sure if these pillars are completely damaged. So here we're gonna start taking all of the front end apart, and then we'll see from there. The roof is like mostly,
yeah, roof would be, I'd say, would be the main damage. So obviously front windshield is smashed in. That'll be easier removal. Okay, so most of the damage so far would be up front. I feel like the whole front end's mostly just panel removal. Obviously we'll see. We'll get a better assessment of what the damage is once we get the front end removal.
We have a smashed window. Let's see. Smashed window, smashed the pillar. We have this. The window's broken. A couple dings all over the car. Let's take a look at those.
Okay, so let's say one thing we did notice when we purchased this truck, this door, it seems like it has been replaced. It's just a different tone. Obviously you can't see it on camera, but
the different tone of
blue, and then
these stripes,
and then these stripes. The truck comes without the stripes, so this is the only door that has it. And
yeah,
then damage, I mean, little ding right there, a little ding right there,
here,
yeah, just all little dings here and there all over the place. I mean, just things we'll take care of.
Little body filler will fix it. There's like one here, one over there. So this panel probably,
yeah, I mean, small ding right there,
here,
another one. But yeah, let's take assessment inside.
Yeah, the door's in the fender.
Okay, you can see the windshield right there. But yeah, no airbags blown at all. That's why it was a good deal to hop on. No bags to worry about, no lights dash wise. So
we'll probably like take the whole interior out of here, mostly because of the roof. We're gonna take all this off because we're gonna take off the roof, replace that, and might as well, like, to get to certain panels we have to like take covers, take the doors out, especially the damage that was here in this area. So we're probably gonna take the interior out here soon, most likely. But our main concern is probably the front. The front is that we're going to do. So the front, we're just going to start
taking things apart, see, get a better damage assessment, and then we'll go from there.
Alright.
Let's do it.
Alright, now we're back. We got most of the front off. As you can see, this is down. For the most part, everything's all right.
Yeah,
like sides.
when purchasing this truck, I mean, we had gone to go. We went to go see it beforehand, and I mean, knew for a fact there wasn't any frame damage of any sort. It was just mostly just, I mean, exterior in a sense. But yeah, after removing all the panels, I mean, this whole, I mean, radiator support took a little bit of a hit on the passenger side, but I mean, that's nothing that can't be replaced and fixed. But yeah, over here, driver's side, everything, I mean, it's perfect. I mean, it's just, you're gonna need new fenders,
new hinges,
good.
I mean,
yeah, other than, yeah, for the most part, yeah, everything seems to be, I mean, where it's supposed to be. Yeah. So next thing we're gonna tackle, we're just gonna finish removing some
like
small bits here and there, so we can get a little bit more better view.
More, just this, so it could just be there.
And then after this, I think we're gonna go ahead and tackle these rails right over here. for the roof rack and just go ahead and remove those, just see how it looks underneath, and
just to get a little bit more cleaned up.
Yeah.
Pieces that we don't need, take them off, stuff like that. Take all this stuff off. Well, maybe not the glass one, because we don't want it falling all inside the car.
But yeah, so far, I mean, everything, I mean, it's going very smoothly. It's just everything looks pretty easy to tackle. So I think, yeah. How's it going, guys? This is Tacoma Rebuilds, and this is day 2 of our project. And today what we're going to be tackling is just what we finished off yesterday is removing all these exterior panels, so front bumper, both fenders, and the hood. Today, yeah, headlights as well. And then today we're going to start on by removing just this extra hardware that we have all over the place, just so we can get a little bit clearer damage. But yeah, other than that, I mean, everything so far, as I had mentioned yesterday, looks straightforward. But other than the front end, we're going to be tackling all the interior. We're going to be removing seats, rear seats, headliner,
mostly basically the whole interior in a way, I guess so.
Yeah, and then removing all the back paneling for the rear glass as well. So yeah, we have plans on removing the front windshield as well here in the next day or so. Just seeing, just as long as everything goes smoothly, we should be taking this thing apart very shortly. So
I would just show a time lapse of us doing it. So let's get to it.
okay, guys, we're back. Just got done taking most of the things off. Still have radiator, condenser, and then just a few miscellaneous things. But before we get to that, we're just gonna wait till the frame machine gets freed up so we could take it on there and get started on that. But what we're gonna get started on now is the interior removal. So as we stated, seats, headliner, rear seats, all the rear panels in the back, so we can get that rear window removed as well before we start tackling the top. And then we'll probably also just start removing these roof rack rails, just so we could see what we're working with. But yeah, so far so good. Any words?
Pretty smooth. I mean, everything's easy to take off for the most part.
So yeah,
let's get right to it.